On Sunrise this morning, they provide day-to-day, around-the-clock life-saving services for our community. This week is National EMS Week. It's time to recognize the emergency medical teams across the country and right here at home. ABC News Channel 20's Alicia Lewis is live in Jacksonville this morning with the story. Good morning, Alicia.
Good morning, Natalie. Right now we are standing on the Air Evac Lifeteam helipad outside of Passavant Hospital here in Jacksonville. Now it is here where emergency medical personnel only have a matter of seconds to get inside this helicopter, fly to a scene of an accident, and try to save lives.
We want to get off the ground quick so we can get to our patients as quick as possible.
Work day in, day night, 24-hour shifts.
The fact that they can save people's lives in the back of a confined space.
These are your first responders. These are the people that when there's an accident out there on the interstate, or if your loved one's in the hospital and they need to go from one level of care to a higher level of care, these are the people who make it happen. They truly save lives.
Meet the Air Evac Lifeteam, an air EMS service that consists of highly trained medical personnel.
Usually an ambulance company will call us once they've assessed the scene or even just heard about, if there's a huge multi-car wreck and they think there's going to be casualties. They might call us before they've even assessed the situation.
Getting emergency calls covering 10 different counties. The Air Evac team can get to patients in emergency situations in a matter of minutes.
If that patient needs surgical interventions right away, we're able to get them to Springfield from here in 15 minutes.
Flight nurses Robin Duncan and Molly Taylor say the hardest part of their job is being away from their loved ones due to the 24-hour work shifts. But they say every minute spent saving a life is well worth it.
If we want to be in and out with the patient in 10 minutes, you've only got 10 minutes to do what you need to do to help somebody out. So you have to be really quick. You have to be really on your game.
The Lifeteam nurses provide medical care in flight. However, the Air Evac team wouldn't be complete without a pilot.
Really, the primary job is just, staying in tune with the weather, making sure the aircraft's airworthy and, everything is working properly. And just being able to, make sure we provide a good, safe ride for our patient, for our crew, and get there in a safe manner.
Air Evac pilot Craig Rush spent more than 20 years in the Marine Corps as a helicopter pilot, with one of his tours flying Marine One for former President George W. Bush. Now, after speaking with the Air Evac Lifeteam here in Jacksonville, all of them said the EMS crews, flight crews, first responders, and emergency personnel wouldn't be able to do their job well if they weren't all working together. And for all the EMS personnel out there, we thank you. Reporting live in Jacksonville, Alicia Lewis, ABC News Channel 20.
Thanks so much for that report, Alicia. Appreciate it. And we want to hear from you. If you would like to thank your local EMS personnel, send us a picture or leave a message on our WICS Facebook page.